Another good first step in making your documentary film is to collect pieces of media, or production layers. You might think about this metaphorically as gathering pictures for a collage or pieces of fabric for a quilt. You're compiling raw material to work with and thinking about how you might eventually layer together these many pieces of media. Documentary Film Services at doc.appstate.edu offers you a page with links to free and ethical use images, music, and sound effects. One site that Documentary Film Services does not include is Unsplash, and I would like to share this particular site with you as it offers you freely usable images. So you are able not only to use the image itself, but you're also able to modify the image. And you do not have to give attribution for the image, although this site makes it very easy to do so. So once here, you might search for various words that relate to your topic. So for me, I might look for podcast, and I see I'm getting a lot of images of microphones, and I may want to download any number of these as I think about the many layers that will go into my documentary film. But let's say I like this one in particular. You can see the download right there, and then right here, this little bit of information is all that I would need to copy and paste in order to appropriately cite the picture. For my topic, I might also search for crime scene investigation, police, broadcasting. The idea here is just to collect as many images as possible so that I would have as much raw material as possible as I go to create my documentary film. Remember, if you have questions, you can reach out to me, but you also can reach out to Dr. Davison and Mr. Hansel. As always, I really appreciate the time that you took to watch this video.